I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Thinkorswim Scanner for day trading, only way. Start by creating a focused workspace and open the Scan tab. Add filters for price, volume, and indicators such as ATR and moving averages. Set your scan interval to intraday and pick a scan time frame like 5 or 15 minutes. Save the scan with a clear name and enable real-time updates so you can act quickly. Build filters by combining liquidity, volatility, and trend criteria for reliable day trade candidates. Start with minimum share volume and dollar volume to ensure fills. Add ATR or percentage move filters to capture stocks with real movement available for scalps or momentum plays. Layer moving averages and RSI to define bias and reduce whipsaws. Test a few combinations, then save templates to switch quickly between strategies during the trading day. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more trading guides. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a fun little pick-me-up between scans and setups. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can snag one quickly, and now let's get back to the video. When results populate, quickly scan charts for clear setups and recent price action that match your rules. Use small time frame charts to verify entry and exit areas, and check order flow with time and sales if you need confirmation. Run a quick backtest on saved scans to confirm they historically catch the moves you want. Keep your risk parameters strict and use stop limits or brackets to protect capital on every trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.